Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your Apple ID and storage. This ensures files move. On the iPhone, turn on iCloud Photos so uploads start. On the Mac, open System Settings, select Apple ID, then iCloud and enable Photos. Once done, make sure both devices are on Wi-Fi and plugged in if large uploads are pending. This reduces interruptions and preserves battery. Sync won't start until iPhone begins uploading and Mac is ready to download, so take these immediate steps now. Next, verify upload and download activity so you understand timing. On the iPhone, watch the upload progress in Photos. If it says uploading, wait for completion. On the Mac, open Photos Preferences and confirm iCloud Photos is active and choose Optimize Storage or Download Originals depending on disk space. If using Optimize Storage, thumbnails appear quickly while full files download on demand. Make sure both devices have recent backups, because changes propagate. Finally, let Photos on the Mac index and download media. This can take hours for large libraries. If you need to prompt syncing, toggle iCloud Photos off and then back on after a minute. This forces reindexing. Make sure iCloud storage isn't full. Lack of space stops transfers. If items still don't appear, restart both devices and sign out of iCloud, then sign back in as a last resort. That resolves most stuck syncs, but restore backups before major account actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.